Hey everyone, Maggie Autograph back with another non-sports break. Today we have a box of Walking Dead Season 2 cards about to open. Picked this box up from my local card shop. This was his last box that he's probably ever going to get. He had some packs on the shelves left, but I actually told him to hold this box for me a couple weeks ago. Just picked it up last night. Alright, today is February 1st, 2014. And let's get started. Base. If I hit anything, all the hits I put aside until later, pretty much. Obviously, I'm looking for a sketch first, but if this box was from the same case I got my last few boxes from, then I already pulled it. So, puzzle insert. Basically, you gotta hope for the main hits, autographs, or maybe the dual relics. I haven't hit one of those yet. Base. 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 Hopefully I can put a couple sets together. We do have quite a bit of boxes full. And we have our first relic hit. Might as well go ahead and turn it. I already felt it. M1. Awesome. Well, can't be too, can't complain about that one for the first hit. It's a hard one to get. So, that's already a good box to me. That one goes for quite a bit, and I don't even know if I have it or not. I have to check my folder. Base. Another foil puzzle insert. Sure, we all know what those are by now. Yep, feels like there's something in it, so I'll keep going. We have a base. Character bio card, number CB6. Andrea. So it's a good start so far. It's a good relic to hit. Base. That's probably the shadow box. character bio number 2. Base. There's the pack with the autograph. I didn't see it, so I'll put that away. Side anyway. So we have one autograph and one relic so far. These 3 packs left, and I put 2 packs aside already. So. So nice variant of the Walker Relic number M29. It's got a lot of color in it. Stain. Not too bad of a variant, but could be better. So this pack's probably the shadow box, which it is. Shadow box number 7. I really like these things. These things are pretty cool. Alright, so all depends on that autograph of how this box is gonna go. Can always tell on the number. Might as well check. A9. Who's A9? Oh, not bad. We have Lori Cohen and Maggie Autograph. Not a bad box, but decent. Alright, well, that's it for today. Thanks, guys.